Hi there, so I have less than 2 minutes to show you how you can trigger your HTTP method in a specific path for your scenario. All right, let's go. So let's say I have like this scenario here that's testing this specific endpoint right here. Oops, this specific endpoint right here. So what I'm gonna do is to create a new one, if I'm not messing up everything, which would be a delete on, let's say, users. Right, and the response will be send status 204. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is to create a new scenario. So let me copy this one and say delete users. Right, so in here, I will go right here and say delete /users, delete the specific user. So given a request, and in my statement when, this is where I will put my method. So here you can put all of the available methods, right? Options, put, patch, delete, post, so all of them. And after, I will need to specify the path. So it's not on slash, but it will be on /users, right? And then I will just put the expected HTTP status. So right here. So now if I try to run my test, I will do an npm test. And that's it. It's all passed. So it was as simple as this. I'm sure you can do it. I see you in the next one.